You've probably noticed the suffix ish at the end of many English words. The suffix ish is actually in the words English and British, and consequently Britlish too. A suffix is a tag that we add to the end of words to change their meaning slightly. In the case of ish, we add it to the ends of nouns and adjectives to form adjectives which mean approximately, somewhat, or like. Take the word English, for example. It was originally Anglish, meaning like the Angles, a tribe who colonized the east of the country after the Romans left. Before the Angles or the Romans came, the islands were populated by the Britons, from whom we get things that are like the Britons, or are British. It's a very old suffix which Old English inherited from the Germanic. Common uses of the suffix ish are colour words, like bluish, greenish, reddish, brownish. Other common uses talk about the size of things. Tallish, shortish, smallish, biggish, fattish, thinnish. We also use ish when talking about the temperature of things, as in coldish, coolish, warmish, hottish. Other adjectives describing qualities also use ish to form adjectives like softish, hardish, wildish, wettish. The suffix ish is often added to numbers and time to indicate approximation, as in I'll see you at 7ish. A woman might well claim to be 30ish when she is, in fact, nearer 50. So common is the use of ish in English that in more recent times it's even become a word in its own right. You might ask someone if they're hungry, to be met with the reply, ish, which will tell you that they're not starving hungry, but might be persuaded to eat something. There's a lot more to learn about the suffix ish in the British Library at British.com. The British Library isn't cheapish, it's completely free of charge. I look forward to seeing you there soon.